Hello there, this is OpenSplit. Let's get back to the development of my military sci-fi game 3876 AD Corruption. On our list, we have confirmed that the corruption must not start on a tile that is within a safe area, otherwise the corruption will be stuck and cannot spread any further. After fixing a bunch of things in the last video, we are now only missing one small fix for the corruption spread to work correctly. I knew this fix should be fairly easy, so we are going to just provide the entire corruption code to the AI and let it find the parts in our code that is causing the problem. It really was just a matter of copy-pasting some code snippets which extend the conditional spawning already present in the existing setup. Running this now, we can just refresh the site a bunch of times, and I'm fairly convinced already that this was working out as intended. In our list, we can now also get rid of this point, and we are ready for the next big steps. First, however, I accidentally noticed a weird glitch during testing. The player seems to be able to just go out of bounds to the left and the right of the map. Additionally, there is again a crash when trying to move into the upper or bottom edges of the map. I need to fix this before we can continue. Since I was not really sure why these problems occur, it's best to use the AI and provide the error code, so it can sort out the issue for us. It really was just an update of the isValidPosition function with an additional bounce check, ensuring that the player cannot move outside of the map and does no longer cause a crash. This also got me wondering if the initial map setup still works the same as before. The map is very small at the moment, but when increasing the tile count, we can already notice that the corruption is now spreading somewhere else. But to my surprise, the entire camera and player movement system still works as it should, even though it's a bit chunky. One last thing we are missing, which is going to be very important for the next part, where we add more gameplay features, is to fix the display of the fatigue and wounds damage details. This is just going to be a simple overhaul where the system needs to observe the changes made on the values and update the list of afflictions as these values change. There were a bunch of implementations that needed to be changed. The initial setup was very disorganized, having multiple triggers and all around not being very consistent. We have to fix that and make sure the visuals are updated properly. This is awesome. For the next video, I have something special, where we make one last visual improvement before finally continuing with the gameplay. Thanks for watching, please leave a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, you can follow me on X, all support is really appreciated, you can post your thoughts in the comments below, but that's all for today. Take care and let's meet again soon. Bye!